Let's make a quick and healthy lunch. Add 2 cups of boiled chickpeas. Let's cut some vegetables. Use fresh vegetables for more flavor and nutrition. Chop 1 medium tomato, around 1/2 of a cup. Chop half of a cucumber, around half a cup. Chop 1/2 cup of cilantro. Chop half a cup of an onion. Sprinkle some salt over it. Mix it. Salt will tame the sharpness of the onion. Now rinse it with tap water. Cut 1 lemon. Add all vegetables to the chickpeas bowl. This chickpea salad is a healthy choice for your everyday lunch. Now add 1 tablespoon of lemon juice. Add 1/4 teaspoon of salt. Add 1 teaspoon of chaat masala. Mix it well. Add 1 teaspoon of chopped mild green chili. Add 1 teaspoon of roasted ground flax seeds. Add 1 teaspoon of hemp seeds. Add 1/4 teaspoon of chia seeds. Mix it well. Adjust the salt and lemon according to your taste. High-protein, healthy, and delicious chickpea salad is ready. Like, share, and subscribe for more recipes like this. Thanks for watching.